Hey, what's going on? Michelangelo here. Just wanted to take a moment to introduce you to this new product that we've brought out to the market. It's called the V.A.W. And what the V.A.W. stands for is Vehicle Attached Wallet. It's the only attachable and detachable wallet of its type. It's made to go in your car just for you. It holds your V.A.W. permit, ID, and insurance card. So check us out at our website at vehicleattachedwallet.com for more details. But before you do that, let me give you a little bit more information on the story of how this actually came about. While we were laying in our bed one night, a news report came on the TV about a man being pulled over by the police. You probably heard about this. He was asked for his driver's license and his insurance card. He told the officer, "Well, I have my V.A.W. permit and I'm also armed." And the officer said, "Well, that's fine. Just don't reach for it." Well, while reaching in his back pocket to get his information, apparently the officer feared he was reaching for his weapon. And he shot the man 7 times and he killed him. And I said to my wife, "Wow. If he had just kept his hands in plain view, he would probably still be alive today." I said to my wife, "We're going to invent something where citizens can feel safe and provide this important information to law enforcement while in their vehicles." So we started working on something where you can keep your hands on the steering wheel at 10 and 2 in plain view and still have access to your valuable information, driver's license, insurance card, etc. Instead of reaching in your back pocket or your purse, which is our natural instinct to do. So we would like to help become a valuable part of a solution. That's what inspired us to make the V.A.W. Vehicle Attached Wallet, the V.A.W. Company, LLC, because safety matters. So when you get a chance, check out our website at vehicleattachedwallet.com. It may just save your life.